What's going on YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video. Today's video we're doing a review on the Lytte Harmoniq by Harmoniq Labs. So some of you might have seen the sneak peek video that I did not too long ago on these earbuds. And in that video I didn't really get too in depth as far as the specs and the sound quality, call quality, all of that good stuff. So that's what this video is going to be about. So if you're new to my channel, I'll go over everything that comes with the earbuds. I'll go over the design and the fit. I'll also give my opinion on the sound quality, and then we'll do a call test to give you an idea as to how you would sound if you use these earbuds to take phone calls. So before we get into all the particulars, I just want to take a second to really showcase the packaging that these are coming in. So as you can see, you got this, nice sturdy box right here, and it's got an outer sleeve to it. Nice, product imaging on the front of the box. You can see the earbuds, got their branding, Lytte Harmoniq, true wireless earphones. And then once you take out the inner part of it, you have this black box that, kind of breaks down into 3 different sections. So we open it up. You can see the earbuds and the charging case featured in the middle there. And then on this left side, you have your contents kind of, tucked away under these little flaps. So overall, very nice premium feel and look that you're getting with the packaging. As I always say, packaging does matter, man. It just really sets the tone for the experience that you're gonna get with the earbuds. So inside the box, you're going to get the earbuds along with the charging case. You're also getting a USB Type-C charging cable, some additional silicone ear tips, and your usual paperwork and instructions. The charging case is medium in size, and as you can see, it's got an all-around plastic build, but it doesn't feel cheap by any means. It feels very sturdy, very well built, so definitely some nice build quality. As you can see on the lid, you've got the Harmoniq Labs logo engraved there. So some nice subtle branding. And then if we flip it around to the back, you've got your USB Type-C charging port. And right next to that, you've got 2 LED indicator lights. If we go ahead and open the case up, you can see the earbuds sit inside side by side like so. And they've got some nice strong magnets. So as you can see, you can, shake this around and these aren't gonna go anywhere. And the lid of the case has a nice magnet as well to help keep it closed when you're not using the case. So taking a close look at the earbuds, the first thing that you notice right off the bat is that they have a very unique shape. And from what I understand, the company, they really sat down and took into consideration all different ear shapes, ear sizes, and they used 3D printing technology to come up with this design. So all of these curves, all the indentions that you see, they're not just for aesthetics. They actually, serve a purpose and are designed to help these really stay in your ears. As you can see, you have the Harmoniq Labs logo featured on the side, and this is going to be the area that you use for your touch controls as well. So as you can see, the touch sensitive area is built in seamlessly. There's no designated area. As long as you're in the, general center of the earbud with your controls, they're going to work just fine. So as you can see, the earbuds are somewhat large in size, but with that being said, they don't feel heavy at all, which I think is another thing that really helps them stay in place when you put them in your ears. So overall, I think these look great. The design is very unique. The finish, it feels good in the hand, and they actually hand polished these, so definitely some attention to detail was put into these earbuds. So the earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.0 with a Qualcomm 3020 chipset, and they support aptX audio, so these are certainly up to par in terms of specs. When it comes to watching videos, movies, I didn't experience any latency, so if you watch a lot of videos or movies, you'll be just fine with these earbuds. As far as battery life, you're going to get roughly 5 hours of listening time on a single charge, and the charging case is going to give you a total of 35 hours of listening time. The earbuds themselves take about 45 minutes to charge completely, and the charging case takes about an hour and a half to charge completely. These also have an IPX4 water resistant rating, so they're definitely safe for the gym. If you're a heavy sweater or if you get caught in the rain or something like that, I just wouldn't recommend submerging them in water. So for those of you that like to listen to one earbud while you charge the other earbud, unfortunately with these, it will only work with the left earbud. Anytime you place the left earbud back into the charging case, there's no connection. So For me, that was one of the few cons with these. It's not really a deal breaker for me personally, but I know for quite a few people that is a big deal. So as far as the fit on these earbuds, these are honestly some of the best fitting earbuds that I've ever tried. So that unique shape and design that they came up with these, it actually works. It's actually functional. It actually serves a purpose. It's like your ear just kind of molds to that shape and then they just stay in place extremely well. Now it is important for you to also make sure you have the right size ear tips. So definitely play around with those to see what works best for you. But again, these stay in place extremely well. You can definitely, move around with them and have peace of mind that they're not going to fall out. And in addition to that, the overall finish and the material of the earbuds is very comfortable as well. So definitely going to have you covered in terms of fit and comfort. Another thing that I noticed with these is that they have some really impressive passive noise cancellation. So if you like to, block out as much noise as possible while you're wearing your earbuds, these are definitely going to do that, which also, helps in terms of the sound quality because it really just blocks everything else out and helps you focus on whatever it is that you're listening to. The touch controls are very easy to use and they give you full control over your listening experience. So you've got your track controls, your volume controls, as well as your play and pause controls. You can also answer and hang up phone calls. So as far as the sound quality, when I had the prototype version of these earbuds and I did the sneak peek video, I thought the sound was extremely balanced. I thought it was very rich and I thought it sounded really good, to be honest. The only drawback that I had with the prototype is that they were a little bit on the quiet side, as far as max volume. So that's definitely something that I was waiting to see, if they improved, which I will say they definitely did. So with these, you're getting an extremely balanced sound. Like I said, a good dosage of clarity as well as bass. The treble is nice and clean, it's up front without being overly harsh. And the same with the bass. It's nice and present, nice and full, but it's not overdone. These really have you covered in terms of, the spectrum of frequencies. You're getting great highs, great mids, as well as great bass. In my opinion, the sound quality on these can definitely compete with some of the popular earbuds that are out on the market. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you an idea of the call quality. All right, so this is a microphone test of the Lytte Harmoniq by Harmoniq Labs. So this should give you an idea as to how you would sound if you use these earbuds to take a phone call. I think they're doing a pretty decent job of picking up my voice, but as always, you guys be the judge. So these will be available for pre-order through Indiegogo at the price of $109. And if I'm being honest, once I found out the price on these, I did feel like it was a little bit high, especially when you consider, how many earbuds there are out there to choose from. So if you're basing the value solely off of specs, honestly, the specs on these aren't that groundbreaking, but I think what really gives these their value is number one, the fit. As we saw, they have that really unique design and shape. They use that 3D printed technology that we talked about, and it works extremely well for my ears. And I think it'll work well for a wide variety of ear shapes and sizes. In addition to that, the build quality, it feels very premium. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Definitely some nice craftsmanship and attention to detail was put into this product. Even down to the packaging, this experience that you get with the packaging, definitely a premium level product. And on top of that, the sound quality is very balanced. You're getting good clean mids and highs, nice deep rich bass. So these definitely aren't, just your everyday pair of true wireless earbuds. Like I said, definitely some real thought and attention to detail went into these. So I think when you consider all of those things, it adds to the value, of these earbuds. So, it really depends on what you value as a consumer. If you are interested in grabbing a pair, I will put the link to their website in the description. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. As always, I appreciate you guys watching this video as well as all the other videos, and I will see you guys next time.